my dear 1000 YouTube subscribers, today is the day. I just want to say thank you, a huge thank you to you all. Thank you so much for subscribing to my YouTube channel and sharing it with your friends. My special thanks goes to Reddit user Flume Life. If you are watching this, please accept my sincere gratitude for sharing my video on Reddit. To be honest, there are very few people watching my videos. I have less than 100 subscribers before that, and that was the first 8 months since I started to upload videos. Then I have gained more than 800 subscribers for the past 6 months. Thanks a million. I know that 1000 YouTube subscribers is nothing to brag about compared to other YouTubers with thousands and thousands of the subscribers. Your beautiful comments just encourage me to continue this project, and I feel that I've done something useful. I will keep going, and also please support my channel as always. Each comment, like, or even share would be super helpful. What kind of videos are you looking for? Feel free to let me know by commenting on any of my videos. Again, thanks so much. 谢谢大家. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.